You truly ready for what's coming with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Now, this week alone could be wild, and I'm going to tell you exactly why in this video, as well as taking a big Bitcoin bull prediction for the years to come. This one is definitely going to be something you need to see. All of that in this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start here. This is the CEO of VanEck giving his prediction around the price of Bitcoin, short term and a Super Bowl long-term prediction. And the reality here is 300,000 plus in the relative short term. When we talk about short term, we talk about years. In the super macro bull though, this is 510 monetary policy adoption, $2.9 million. Let's have a listen to what you had to say.
Give me your price target for the longer term with Bitcoin, because right now at about 63,000, where do you see it going?
Right. So about a year ago, I started pounding the table because eventually the Fed is going to start easing here. That's great for gold and that's for Bitcoin. What I said is Bitcoin is growing up and will be eventually half the total market cap of gold. So that's about 350,000. So quite a ways to go from here. The Super Bowls, if central banks adopt it and, it's part of the monetary system, then in the millions, but I don't like to talk about that too much.
What, more than 2 million? More than 3?
Yeah, like 2.9. We've got some model, which is, you have to look at the assumptions.
Right.
So if you get into that standpoint, yes, there's a lot of growing up to do, as he said, but that is a Super Bowl prediction. Now, let's bring it back to where we currently stand. Why do I think this week is going to be a big week? Well, we had a pretty big announcement on Friday, and that was the fact that the SEC green lit options trading on the BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, it's really interesting that they did green light this on Friday, because when we take a look at ETF inflows, BlackRock hasn't been doing anything. Its investors pretty much haven't bought anything since the 26th of August, which is pretty wild. We are now getting on for nearly a month. The BlackRock has sat there and fundamentally not bought anything. Now, here's the real kicker. They haven't sold anything either. So all of those institutions, all of those people that decided to get into BlackRock's ETF product haven't sold anything. They're simply holding it. And the fact that we then see options trading, there clearly is an expectation that we are going to see a big move on the price of Bitcoin. Now, guess what? Trading opens up on Monday, and that is only a few hours away. And this could be a big move again for Bitcoin this week. Now, we were talking in my live stream earlier on about how I thought we would see a bit of a front run, a bit of a market short. And I actually did take a short sell on Bitcoin in a short-term play. It turned out pretty good for me. We saw a nice little move down on BTC, but I do think it's coming back up, and I could see us retesting 65k this week. If you're interested in trading on futures, and do check out the link to MEXC. It's in the description. They're offering fantastic bonuses for anyone who wants to sign up, so do check out that link as always in the description. But options trading are absolutely going to drive a sentiment around these iShares ETFs, and this could absolutely move across the rest of the ETF market. So expect some real strength in the markets this week, and I absolutely believe we're going to see a strong move. Also, we've talked about the price action in a minute, but people are talking about the gearing up for the final move. The big banana zone, as people talk about it, the 4-stage cycle. Lots of people are now predicting that we are absolutely entering this point as we move into October. Now, history tells us that if we get a green September, it's 100% guaranteed in history that October is green as well. Now, that doesn't mean that this one will play out exactly the same, but if you go past the previous 4 times, September has been a green month, October has absolutely done the same. In fact, October generally moves a 20 to 30% to the green if September is also a green month. So these are very, very good moves indeed. Now, if you were to take a look at the price of Bitcoin, very interesting. This is the line that we generally expect September to bring us down to, 4.5% decline from the 1st of September. Now, we obviously have the break line. The break line is currently set $64,485. That's my prediction, that if we break that with some volume behind that, and this is important, it can't just be a wick candle up, it's got to move with the market. We want to see it really break through that with some real vigor and conviction with volume support behind it, and then a retest ideally. My view is a breakthrough with a retest with volume on that break line at 64,485 then gives us the move up here. I think we'll be retesting this upper descending trend line by the end of the month and certainly into October. Now, here's where it starts to get crazy. We're just going to zoom out a little bit. If we were to see this break above this downward sloping trend line, expect the banana zone. Expect Bitcoin to move off this line and continue on up. Now, my prediction's always been around $130,000 to $140,000. Lots of people, however, going even more bullish, talking 160, 170, 180. Let me know what you guys think. What's your Bitcoin bull run prediction? I'm very, very interested to know. But Bitcoin is looking very solid on the moves. Now, don't forget also, if you are interested, we have partnered up with Trade Assist. Now, Trade Assist is a fantastic piece of kit that you can have on your trading charts to support both buy zones and sell zones, allowing you that edge in the market. Look out for short-term and long-term trades with Trade Assist. And they also have a premium version as well, in which you get even more momentum moves on Trade Assist as well. Now, you can check all the links to Trade Assist in the description, but this is absolutely allowing me to make better decisions and confirm theories I have in market structure in order to maximize my potential with trading. So if you are interested in Trade Assist and using MEXC as a possible trading site, do check out both those links in the description. So bringing it back to this week, look out for some key price moves. We're talking 64,485. A break above that absolutely is the first stage. The next stage, a move to the upside to retest 68,000 at that downward sending trend line. After that, well, it's all systems go for the bull run. So keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be a big week. Keep your eyes peeled on those iShares options. They could be a big week. And as always, keep your eyes peeled for content coming right how here on the channel. The only way to do that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Turn your notification bell to all. Then you're notified every time a new video goes up or we host our live stream. So as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment your Bitcoin bull run price down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.